All right, let's talk about ribs. So we have a costal cartilage, which is this section here that actually connects down into the sternum. And then we have what are called true, false, and floating ribs. The technical names are these are the vertebrosternal ribs. These guys all have their own connection down into the sternum. Then we have the vertebrochondral ribs, which share a connection. So those are the false ribs. And then the floating ribs back here are the vertebral ribs, which don't actually connect into the sternum. When we take a look at a rib here, what we see is that they have a long blade on them, and then they have a couple of connecting points. So what we see is that there's a little bump here, and there's a longer neck with a head there. And so the little bump head is called the tuberculum, and the longer one with the big neck is called the capitulum. So a tubercle is a bump, and a capitulum is a head. And so this one's kind of like a head with a long neck on it. And then the rest is the shaft of the rib. When we're looking at the sternum here, they are made up of a chain of elements in mammals called the sternebrae. The anterior sternebra is called the manubrium. And the posterior one, let's see if we can get it here, is the xiphisternum. So that's this guy here. And then there's a little bit of cartilage off the back here called the xiphoid cartilage. And so that's the ribs and the sternum.